One thing I try to do when I'm wiring up new things on the train layout is to keep my granddaughter in mind, so that one day when she's old enough to interact with it, she'll find it really cool. And here's my latest. So if you'll notice, at the top of those buildings and then down the train station and those buildings, there's no lights on at the moment. You go over to my curio cabinet. And that switch on controls that house in the corner. This switch controls the lights down the train station and those houses. And then this final switch controls the lights down the top of Electric Avenue.